Hey all, Ziva here. We have a pretty large snowstorm hitting North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and I think Virginia. We're supposed to get record snowfall. Wouldn't you know, I moved from Wisconsin and I bring the snow with me. Seriously, people are freaking out here. North Carolina and South Carolina don't get snow like this. So, now I think is a good time to look at your props. Now, we're in bad shape. Seriously, we do not have what we should have. But we have more than someone else might have. So, our water containers have about 12 of these. I do believe they're 5 gallons each. So we have about 12 of these. Okay, and here is a little bit more, if nothing else, some ideas for someone who may not know what to prep with. Oil lamp. Always good to have oil lamps for power outages. I find in the country we get many more power outages than what I did in the city. So, something I was not personally prepared for. And these lamps were much more available where I used to live than where I am now. So I actually need to get some more of these oil lamps. Of course, gotta keep yourself safe. And don't forget your first aid. You know, they say something, bullets, beans, and something. Well, all I had were lentils at the moment. And rice, some more water. So, some ideas of some things to prepare with. Just to put back some extra stuff in a situation like this, you know. Crazy snowfall that you don't see very often. It's going to affect us. Other than that, you know, I mean, I have my little extra stuff here and then we have a little bit put back in the bedroom. So if nothing else, you know, maybe it gives you an idea of something that the average person that doesn't prep might want to store up a little bit on. Things that are easy to reheat. We also have cook stove gas for our gas cook stove. So, hope that helps someone. And during this crazy winter storm we're going to get, I hope everybody stays safe and warm. Peace out.